Okay guys, I'm going to show you how fast it is to whip up 3 salads. Actually, I did 4 in less than 2 minutes. Okay? Just have everything available out your containers for the next 3 days, and including today is 4 days. Okay? Thing I'm going to add is my colorful coleslaw. Take a handful. Okay, that's it. A good handful in each of your containers. Next, take a handful of baby spinach, or so, and put that in. Okay, that's 1, 2, and 3. Easy peasy so far. Love arugula, but you can use a broccoli slaw or any other kind of leafy green, and a handful in each. That's it. Chopped up some romaine lettuce into bite-sized pieces. I usually add that first, but I'm just going to add that now. Again, a handful in each. I'm going to add the rest to the one I already made. I have cucumbers. Now you see they're in chunks. 1, 2, and 3, because when I actually eat it, that's when I'll cut it up, because then they won't get soggy. My peppers, again, already just chopped into chunks, 2, 3. So you can use whatever color peppers or other veggies you like. I'm going to add some red onion chunks. And that's it. You can add what other veggies. I'm thinking I might even add some broccoli. I'll see. My salad's already made. And then I can make whatever salad dressing I want, or bring dressings with you. Look how quickly you made a salad. You'll be so surprised, and you'll be organized. That's what it is all about, being organized. And just pop on the lids, as I mentioned, buy some containers, and there you go. Easy, easy, easy. Don't make your life difficult. Not saying you have to have salads every day, but then you can add whatever you want. You can have stir fries, you can have steamed veggies, raw veggies, but this is my go-to. Simple, versatile, and of course, delicious and nutritious. Here's another tip. Buy some bowls, plastic bowls, for your meals, your salads. It just makes things so convenient. Okay?